Open up your mind and make the time right. Tryna put the young kid up in the limelight. Don't know if he ready. All the pressure been getting too heavy, but I've been coming for the top spot. There ain't no question.
Who's ready? Where are they? To rumble! Oh god! Oh, she got sniped.
Shoot it.
No, I got sniped at.
Ah!
Who's ready to rumble?
That doesn't break it. What the? He came out. He's below you.
There's another guy over here.
I see you just go after him.
Oh, I thought I had my...
What the hell? Oh my.
Oh my god, dude, those were right on
There we
him.
go. How much ammo do you got?
I got 60 left.
Like how your scar would have killed him so much faster.
Hey,
Boy,
Jan. What?
Cousin?
She's in the race, dude.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
He's right here.
It's fine, doesn't matter.
Firing up!
Yeah, but I don't have a shotgun.
Sorry, it takes a couple minutes to put the bullets in.
Oh shoot. You're shot from the dude behind
Some
you.
excessive machinery.
Start shooting yourself. Jump on the bush and annihilate him.
What's up, buddy? Ah!
You can jump and shoot. Wow.
Ah! Can you guys see this? It's so big. It looks like my arm. Alright, I'm going out.
Oh, I actually put that there. It's fine. Dude, I put that there.
Think I can jump it?
Hurt you.
Let's go
Yeah.
factory.
No, you can jump it, trust me.
You actually can.
No, you have to jump far long ways though. Oh, like here? Now try to jump in the house. Yeah, break my fridge. Not like I have any ham sandwiches in there or anything.
Try to jump with this thing. Ah! So that didn't work.
Found him.
For sure.
Ow.
50 health. Oh, you really put my med kit to use.
He threw his salt up, bro.
What the fuck's going on over here, you know?
Here's the minivan.
He is a minivan?
My controller's broken.
Oh my god.